Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Charge your AirPods Max to at least 50% before pairing. Remove them from the smart case and place them near the TV. Keep the headphones within 10 feet of the Samsung TV to ensure a stable Bluetooth signal. On the right ear cup, press and hold the noise control button for 5 seconds until the status light flashes white. If you see a flashing amber light, reset the headphones for 15 seconds and try again. Do not start the TV pairing process until the white light appears. Open settings on your Samsung TV, then navigate to sound, then sound output. Select Bluetooth speaker list to begin scanning for devices. Wait up to 30 seconds while the TV discovers nearby Bluetooth accessories. When AirPods Max appears in the Bluetooth list, highlight it and choose Connect. The TV will pair and show a confirmation message when finished. If pairing fails, restart the TV and repeat these steps after 1 minute of waiting. Confirm the AirPods Max status light stays white during connection. If you experience audio latency, use a Lightning to 3.5 adapter for a wired connection. Attach the adapter to the AirPods Max Lightning port and plug into the TV headphone jack. Update TV firmware and AirPods Max firmware before attempting pairing to improve compatibility. Disable TV speakers or set audio output level after successful pairing to avoid echo. If connections still fail, reset network and Bluetooth on the TV and repeat pairing after 30 seconds.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.